All right, guys, so you're always asking me what type of protein do I eat on a keto or keto carnivore diet. So I thought I would go through just a quick haul right there, but I'll go more into it of what I typically eat, but not everything's there. Sometimes I'll have some fish, some salmon. Sometimes if I'm out at a restaurant and they don't have a fatty meat, yes, I will dare to have a white fish or chicken, but I avoid it at all costs. So with that said, I really want to remind you guys that keto omnivore or keto carnivore is not a high protein diet. It's a high fat diet. Now I'll go through my fats later, but right now let's talk about the old protein haul. You guys don't understand. People keep thinking that you can adapt on high protein, but you can't, because protein that you can't use gets converted back into glucose via gluconeogenesis. I've worked with thousands of people over the years, so if you guys want a consultation, go to stephanieperson.com. I also run a course. I've spoken about this in many videos. And I also have an Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic. But let's get down to the protein. A lot of you guys have hypochlorhydria, which means you have the inability to break down protein very well. So the people who have an aversion to red meat don't understand that they're missing a lot of digestive enzymes and stomach acids to break it down, and then they keep avoiding it, and then it just perpetuates and gets worse. A lot of you guys also have issues breaking down uric acid and purines, and so some of you, or often many of you, have a hard time breaking down protein in the kidneys. So keto is a high fat diet, not a protein diet. Contrary to what all these people are telling you, I've been coaching people over all these years, 10 years, and thousands of people with glucometers, and point blank period, people aren't adapting on too much protein. Now carnivores come around and there's sort of a confusion that carnivore is still keto, but still high fat and moderate protein. So let's go into my freaking grocery haul. Booyah! Okay, hold on one sec. Okay guys, sorry, this is just a quick impromptu video that I wanted to upload. Now, I don't typically have ground turkey thigh. Sometimes I do. The main meats I typically eat are lamb. So we have some grass-fed lamb from Trader Joe's. We have, I'm really bored of chicken, but sometimes this is in the freezer. Sometimes I'll have chicken drummies. Now I have lamb. This lamb is from a rancher. Not lamb, I'm sorry. This is liver. I'm not restarting this video. We've got ground beef right here. And we have ribeye, which I'm going to dive into. We also have hearts. You can see the heart. I also have, sometimes I'll get grass-fed liver from Whole Foods if they're selling it, because sometimes it's just organic. So when they have grass-fed, I always buy it. We also have the pastured eggs. Every once in a while I have some Applegate hot dogs, but not very often. I also have, this is chicken liver, and I bought it because it was fresh and they didn't have beef liver. So I bought 4 pounds. It was $15. 4 pounds, people, of chicken liver. And then over here we have pork from Whole Foods. I think I bought 3 pounds of this because I'm going to slow cook this bad boy. It tastes so good. I'm just craving, actually right now I'm craving pork. And stop talking about dang parasites. Y'all got it all twisted. All animals get parasites. And I'm into the lamb right now. I also have eggs, which are, sometimes I'll have just the yolk. No, most of the time I just have the yolk. And of course we have our ancestral supplements. So we got thymus for histamine intolerance and leaky gut, plus the kidney DAO deficiency, and trachea, ton of vitamin C, you carnivore people. And I know I have brain somewhere. I got it all. With that said, y'all, I'm going to start eating because I'm hungry. Okay. If you guys want to learn more, go to stephanieperson.com for a consultation, or you could go to Stephanie the Business Person on my Facebook fan page, or you can go to Stephanie Ketogenic on my Instagram. And now it's time to grub. All right. The amounts I'll do in another video, but y'all don't realize for Thanksgiving I had 6 ounces of pork and I felt not horrible, but I felt like there was a brick in my stomach. I've been doing keto for 12 years nonstop with no refeeds in ketosis. You can check the other videos. You can check the whole video diary of how my body has transformed and gotten better, badder, stronger, younger at 52. And yeah, it's because when my knowledge comes from you guys. It doesn't come from some study that, not even a study, these subjective anecdotal ideas from a lot of PhDs. I get it from real people, and I apply it to many people. I learn about physiology, and then I apply what I know to people, and then I learn from you guys. And now I'm doing a video on what I eat. Now I gotta go and have some wonderful meals while there is a Christmas parade thing that's about to start outside. I love it and I hate it because they block off all the streets.